lot of colors in front of me. Let's go with Rihanna. She's never failed me yet. I think you like scoop it on this thing, Q-tip, and just apply. This is looking trash, but looks like we have a nude, which I think is what you would use. Sharpen it, looks a little dull. Okay, this is definitely not how you do it. I don't think I should do anything. I'm really looking like a clown, but a clown with nice peach lips. I like the color. I feel like color choice was good. It looks like I just ate a whole thing of like rainbow sherbet.
Look at the rest. Great, gorgeous, wonderful. The lip, I see what you were trying to go for. You've never done this before,
Never
right?
done it.
You were not gifted with the natural, gorgeous, voluptuous lips that I was by my doctor. So, we're gonna create some.
All right.
Okay? What we're gonna start with is a liner, a nice lip liner, a very wonderful lip liner from Kimchi Chic Cosmetics. I've chosen this color. This particular color contours the outer corner and just slightly over drawing, just ever so slightly. It's literally laying the liner on the lip line, rolling it up just a tiny bit, and then dragging. And remember, with makeup, you can always take it off. So see what we did? We've accentuated and we've also created a larger lip. Continuing to the other side. Now we have a good barrier. The Rihanna lipsticks are some of my favorite from the MAC collection that she did. I would say you went with the orangey peachy frost. I think we're gonna try her shade Nude.
Oh, wow.
Don't worry, this is not the only color we're gonna be using because we're gonna be contouring and highlighting the lip. I'm gonna go in with a brush. This is a nice synthetic angle brush, loaded up with color, starting at the outer corners and dragging inward. See what we do? A nice taupey flesh color. We are getting your lips together. I'm going to deepen the outer corners of the lips. This is going to create a contour. It's going to give you that pouty look. It's really going to deepen here. We're going to deepen here, and we're going to highlight here. So it'll bring the lip out. Starting at the outer corner, literally you're going to pat that right there. See what that did? Just that little bit right there transformed the whole thing. You can see at home. What I do, open your mouth like this. I'll take this liner and I'll just go just like that to the corners. I have not even blended that in yet. Incredible. Magic.
I'm feeling it. I really feel it.
I know, this is great. Now that we have your lip on, and I feel like we have a nice fleshy toned lip, we're gonna highlight the center. I'm using this nice peachy pink tone, and with my brush, I'm loading up the brush. If you're at home and you don't have a lip brush, that's fine. You can go in, apply, and then pat with your finger. I just like using a brush. So we're gonna take this color and we're gonna lightly pat the center of the lip, just right there. Same thing with the top. I then use the back of the brush sometimes to blend. There we go. See? Highlight. Wild. We've done lip liner.
Okay.
We've done lipstick. We've done contouring, highlighting. Now we're going to add a sheen. Gloss.
Gloss.
This is something you can also wear on its own. I've chosen a wonderful shade from Haus Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's cosmetic line. Wonderful. And this shade is something that I can't read because my eyes are old. But here we are, look at that. A little tip with gloss. They're not meant to be smacked together, meaning once it's on your lips, it's not meant to be mushed together. Like, you see some people put things on and they go,
Yeah.
Not with gloss. Gloss is meant to be applied perfectly. This is great. So you can wear this in front of all of your attractive friends, and you know, they'll see you from across the bar and they'll think, wow, that person over there is puppet. Right?
Well, you did it right, but how are they gonna buy me a drink if I can't sip it?
Hold on.
Reapply.
Hold on. Ready?
Oh, is that?
Okay.
Wow. Okay. That's really cool.
Right?
I'm.
Do you think that this is something that you could repeat yourself with all of my instructions that I just gave you?
I can repeat it. It'll be better over time with practice.
That's the right answer. What do you guys think at home? Beautiful, right? This is incredible. Oh, and thank you for being beauty marked by Fina. And you at home, if you think you can follow these instructions and apply a perfect lip, I want to know about it. Tag me in your photos, tag me in your videos, comment below, tell me what you liked. Don't tell me what you didn't like, because I don't care. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much for watching Beauty Marked by Fina.